Named by the Algonquin-speaking Native Americans, the Mississippi River is rightly translated as the Father of Waters. Join Viking for 15 monumental days, where you can discover everything this remarkable river has to offer, from the storied delta to the farmlands of the north. Your journey begins in New Orleans, Louisiana, where jazz and jambalaya mingle with the French-flavored culture and character. Then it's off to the state's dynamic capital, Baton Rouge, in the heart of Cajun country. Sample the locals' favorite dish, gumbo, and immerse yourself in Cajun culture. In Natchez, Mississippi, visit impeccable historic homes, explore an expansive estate for a fascinating window into the past, or experience classic small downtown America, highlighting unique boutiques, galleries, and restaurants. Vicksburg, the site of a crucial Civil War battle, comes next. Retrace the steps of that storied conflict and watch history come to life at Vicksburg National Military Park. Memphis, Tennessee, one of America's premier music cities, introduces you to its crown jewel, Graceland, with an immersion into the life of Elvis at his legendary home. Lively St. Louis, Missouri brings spectacular views from the top of the stunning Gateway Arch. Or enjoy an insider's view of the Anheuser-Busch Empire and a stroll through the historic Laclede Landing. In Hannibal, inspirations of Huck Finn and Tom Sawyer are everywhere, including on an enlightening exploration of the Mark Twain Museum and the author's childhood home. An unexpected delight, Iowa's historic Burlington will charm you with its classic small-town America downtown and a fascinating local heritage center. The Quad Cities offers the rare opportunity to spend time on a working family farm. Or you may choose to set out for the beautiful Quad City Botanical Center. Dubuque, known as the masterpiece on the Mississippi, still retains the architectural character of its heyday as a booming Victorian-era river town. Among the most important buildings of the greatest American architect Frank Lloyd Wright is Taliesin, home to Wright himself and his family. This beautifully preserved masterpiece is one of the jewels of the northern Mississippi region and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. In La Crosse, Wisconsin, explore the confluence of 3 rivers at the beautiful Riverfront Park. Tap into 150 years of brewing traditions, or take in the expansive tri-state views from Grandad Bluff. Activities abound with the opportunities of biking, fishing, or kayaking. Then it's on to Red Wing, Minnesota, where you can venture out into the National Eagle Center to enjoy an up-close encounter with bald eagles, America's national symbol. Your grand Mississippi journey concludes in St. Paul, known for its great museums, iconic cathedral, and beautiful period architecture.